So Google just dropped Gemini Omni, and this thing is honestly incredible. But there's one thing that is already frustrating me, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit. But essentially, they're describing it as the Nano Banana Pro, but for video. And once you understand what it does, that comparison actually makes perfect sense. Because now video generation is no longer just typing a prompt and hoping for a good result. You can actually edit, update, and refine videos step by step through a normal conversation, almost the same way people are editing images with AI and Nano Banana Pro, for instance. But what really makes this powerful is that you can create your own avatar, use your own voice, put yourself into different scenes, edit existing videos, change backgrounds, adjust styles, and so much more. And that part is honestly mind-blowing. So in this video, I'm going to break down what Gemini Omni is, which you can actually do with it, some bad things about it, some limitations, and everything else. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Let's jump right in. All right, so first of all, let's go ahead and go through the announcement, and then I'm going to show you a few examples that I created, which is, again, really cool, especially the creating your own avatar part. So first of all, the Gemini Omni, this is by Google DeepMind. So they have a few examples that they showcased kind of right on the announcement. So feel free to watch that intro video. But I want to go through a few of the examples that they provide and what you can do with this according to their own announcement. And again, right here, as you can see, it says, edit through natural conversation. Think of Gemini Omni like Nano Banana, but for video. Because you can build and fine tune your creation at any step, and you can keep adding things and keep refining the video that it generates, or if you've uploaded your own video yourself. So this is a really cool example that they showcase here. So it says transform your world. You can change the aesthetics, the action, the effect, and everything else. So this is the original video. The prompt, as you can see right here, it says, when the person touches the mirror, make the mirror ripple beautifully like liquid, and person's arms turns into a reflective mirror material, right? So that's essentially the first edit of this video that this person, let's say, uploaded, right? Which is this guy that kind of comes into the frame, and with this Gemini Omni, they added this effect of that chrome thing. So now you can imagine if you want to make changes to this video, the next step would be, so it says, when the person touches the mirror, the person transforms into a detailed monochrome line art drawing. And as you can see, everything else kind of is the same, except it changes into this monochrome art drawing, right? So now continuing, same thing. This one, they just basically change the person suddenly into a cute felted stuffed puppet version of a large googly eyes and glasses. So again, very similar to Nano Banana Pro, just like you would edit an image. And that's essentially what I was talking about in the intro of this video, that now it makes sense. As you can see, you can transform and you can change the video, edit the different scenes, the background, and everything else, just like you were able to do with images and with Nano Banana Pro, right? So it's very powerful in that regards. All right. So, and then on top of that, you can actually reimagine existing videos and pinpoint the specific areas of the video that you want to edit. So for instance, for this one, there's this 9:16 video. It says, make it look like the weird shape of my handhold super zooms and magnifies the ground it's looking at in a sharper quality. So as you can see, as the person brings in their hand into this video, it kind of makes that weird zoom effect into this particular area of the video, which is this tree, right? So it's very good at kind of understanding and identifying the different objects in your video. On top of that, you can actually also edit sounds, right? So like in this one, I don't know if you can hear the sound, but basically it says when the finger is in the video touches the animal toy, play the sound that animal makes, right? So you can actually create or edit or update and make changes to the sound inside of a video as well. This one's a really cool one as well. So this one's basically uploading of this image, and it says the lights of the apartment start turning on sync with the music. And actually, you can check this out yourself. You can actually listen to the music and see it kind of plays around, the lights go according with the music. So that's a really cool version of this, or a new update that didn't exist before, right? The ability to edit sounds inside of a video. And of course, you can have 3D objects. You can combine multiple videos. You can combine images and videos. So as you can see right here, this one is the input video and the input image, and you can have this kind of 3D shape and weird stuff. So again, really cool way to add 3D structures and animation. Another cool thing is, again, the ability to edit over multiple turns, right? And most importantly, having the consistency of the character. So this is an uploaded of this person playing the violin, and at each step, they're making different edits, right? And shows the violin invisible. This one changing the camera angle, so you have the ability to handle and change the camera angles as well. And this one's, again, another cool one. You can actually swap different things, objects, characters inside of a particular video. So this is a really good example. So as you can see, there's this kind of this spaceship kind of goes through these different objects. So as you can see right here, that's the original. If I click on seed, now it's basically the same effect, but it's with the walnut, with the clock, right? With the red frisbee. So very cool way to edit individual objects inside of a video while maintaining everything else the same. So again, lots of things. Now, this is another important thing. It says that Omni has intuitive understanding of forces and gravity and kinetic energy, fluid dynamics, and everything else. So when you prompt that, it actually follows kind of nature, physics, and everything else as naturally as possible. So again, another really great way to enhance the ability for video editing. And of course, you can do a lot more with it. So now let's go ahead and talk about inputting your own avatar, which is, again, one of the coolest part of this particular model, in my opinion. So first of all, so let me show you exactly what you can create. So I kind of uploaded my own avatar, and I'm going to show you how you can upload your own avatar inside. And I just said, again, I put my own name for the avatar, and I said, in a sharp suit, driving a red Lamborghini Aventador during a high-speed chase. It's incredible how much detail it captures of your face and voice. So you can see this is about as realistic as it can get as far as kind of capturing the details of your face and the voice as well. So I'm going to play this loud so that way you guys can see exactly my voice as well. And then also, I just said, okay, now continue with the video and go to the city with big buildings and have fire animation come out of the car. So same thing. You can just continually edit this. And then, and the last one I said, now I get out of the car and go into a high-end store, right? So as you can see right here, the car stops. It's the same car, the same character, and it follows the prompt exactly, me getting out of the car while maintaining all of the facial expression or my facial structure and everything else, right? So there's another one in a beach walk, like a photo shoot, basically, right? So again, really maintains your facial expression. And of course, you can change your body. Unfortunately, I don't look like this, but really does a great job of maintaining your avatar. And then I just said, okay, now he puts on a shirt, sees the photographers, makes a joke or laughs. And again, really maintains your facial expressions, the way you talk and walk and everything else. So lots of really cool things you can do with this. So let me go ahead and now show you how to access this. Obviously, you can access this from the Gemini Google app itself. So you can just go to gemini.google.com and it'll bring you right here. Now, the way to add your avatar is you're going to click on the plus button. Okay. You're going to come to click on more uploads. And then right here, it says avatar, right? So mine's already added. So it just basically adds mine automatically. For the first time for you, it's going to basically take you, give you a link that you can scan with your phone. And it's just going to open up your phone and you just basically scan your face and then also make you read a couple of numbers. And that's all. That's literally all you have to do. And then your avatar will show up. And now you can basically reference and say whatever prompt you want to do here. So that way, it generates the video with your avatar in the background. So as you can see right here, oops, let me take a look at the first one. So I said, again, that's my avatar name right there, right? And on a beach walking around with a six-pack like a photo shoot. So that's my avatar. And then I also selected a outdoors template, right? But you don't have to select the template or anything like that. You can essentially just use the prompting there as well. So very simple to use. Again, there's not much to it. Now, one of the things I hate, so as you can see right here, my create video is kind of blurred out. I can't even do anything with it right now. And this is the part that I absolutely hate about these models. And the reason for this is the usage is extremely limited. So take a look at this. It basically, I created like 5-6 videos and I'm already out of my current usage limit. And by the way, I had to upgrade to the $99 a month plan. Now, as you can see right here, I'm on the Ultra plan, which is, it's so stupid that they make you pay $100 a month and you still run out of credits, or they still limit your usage. So again, obviously they're pushing you to, jump on the AI Pro plan, which is $199 a month. And again, that's definitely not worth it, right? So that's absolutely frustrating and it's very annoying, and I hate that a lot of these companies do this, but I guess they're trying to push you to push you to upgrade. But honestly, like, just 5-6 videos and that's it, you run out of credit. Like, that's kind of wild. So just for this particular reason, I wouldn't use this too much. It's not worth the $99 a month. But if they can find a way to increase the limit, then this is definitely worth maybe not the $99 a month, but at least the $20 a month, right? The Pro plan there. So again, check it out. It's really cool. At least this avatar feature I really like. The rest, same thing. It is really good at. I tried a bunch of different ways to edit existing videos, right? I actually even tried a video of a marble rolling fast on a chain reaction. So it does work really well. It is actually aware of kind of like spatial awareness and everything else. So it's really good at that. It's really good at editing videos. And like I mentioned, it's really good at the avatar of yourself, kind of your voice, capturing your voice, your facial structure and everything else. But unfortunately, like I said, it's just really that the limitation of the credit is extremely frustrating and annoying. So I'm hoping that they would update the limits so that way people can use it a little more. And I would suggest checking out the deepmind.google.com announcement, because there are some really good examples here. And then also they go through and show you the prompting technique in there as well. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. Again, let me know in the comments if you're into issues. And then, by the way, if you're interested in learning how to monetize these AI tools, because I mean, they are cool, but if you're not, if you don't know how to make money, then what's the point of all of this, right? That's where our community comes in. That's where we teach you how to sell these services to businesses that have an actual need, right? And then, of course, starting your own AI agency, we have an entire 5-week program, day-to-day accountability, where we show you how to get clients, how to run sales calls, and everything else you need. So check out the community. Link is going to be in the description. Hopefully I'll see you inside. If not, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.